Hey everyone! Ever felt like your Instagram post just vanished into thin air no matter how fire your content is? What if I told you Instagram rules have changed? Now even small accounts have a shot at growing up every single time. Let's crack the code and going viral in 2025.
Instagram's brain is different right now. It doesn't care about your follower count or your past hits. Your post's chance to go viral comes down to how up-to-date it is, not how big your account is. That's huge news for the underdogs. If you're dropping fresh content that matches what people are curious about right now, you've got a way bigger shot at going viral without block size meaning a lot. Start by tracking from 5 to 15 similar creators in your niche. Every day, peek at which topics are popping on their profiles. Jot this info in a simple spreadsheet or automate it with a tracking tool. Your followers will never know you're doing this recon. Spot viral topics and create your own spin-as app.
Look, you don't have to waste hours glued to a screen stalking every move your competitors make. There's a better way.
Grab a tool like Inflact's Instagram tracker and automate the whole process. It does all the heavy lifting, tracking every stat and trend on your rivals from the moment you start watching them. Another good thing, you stay 100% undercover. Nobody's ever know you are keeping tabs. You get all those secret insights with zero risk of looking like the Instagram spy. So now you know how to hit hot topics. But are you putting keywords in the right places? Make sure you cover all from the list below. On-screen text in the hook, description, hashtags, voiceover, comments, yours and your audience's. Load those keywords everywhere you can. It's like giving Instagram a map straight to your content. Use IE to write hooks that absolutely slap. Spend time perfecting your opening line. First impressions matter more than ever. Take a competitor's hook, feed it to an IE tool, and request 3 alternatives that are catchy and more clickable. Pick the one that smashes and use it to launch your next viral reel. Focus on video lengths. 5-7 seconds are great for memes or quick hits. 20-30 seconds are perfect for deeper dives and still snack size. Try both and see which your followers vibe with most. Don't bother with videos over 90 seconds. Instagram isn't pushing them right now. Use Instagram's news trial feature to preview what works before blasting content to everyone. Share your test reels with non-followers, experiment with different hooks or lengths, and let the results decide which version goes public. 2 versions, same topic. A/B test your way to viral status. By the way, fun content still carries the load. Seriously, memes are your golden ticket. Share 4-5 weekly and watch your numbers leap. It gets tagged, shared, and commented on like crazy, boosting your profile across all posts. Creators are raking up tens of thousands of views in days with nothing but memes.
Play it smart, use these steps, stick to what's hot. It literally doesn't matter if you are starting from zero. You can go viral, grow like crazy, and bank even more money than ever before. Smash the subscription button if you're ready to take over Instagram this year.